Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Helton's Computer Repair here with a video for you. Now, if you're not a big fan of Microsoft Edge, even though it's technically a Chromium-based browser, and you want to get Google Chrome, then say no more. We're going to be showing you how to do this on Windows 11. Now, before we get into this, I do want to let you know we do have an exclusive in the end that's pretty much going to be showing you how you can get some pretty much a Windows license keys pretty much discounted less than $15 or like Microsoft Office around that range. So do stay to the end, or if not, go to the description below and I'll show you where to go and pretty much just type in the discounted code for it and you'll pretty much get some exclusive. It helps us you, and that's awesome. Regardless, go ahead and get started. So first thing you do is go ahead and open up a browser. By default underneath Windows 11, you obviously have Microsoft Edge by default. Once you get to there, it's going to load up. What we're looking for is pretty much just type in chrome.com and it takes us directly to their site. And here we are. It tells us if your browse security. I honestly, this thing has been aggravating. I've been having so many notifications here underneath the new Edge. It kind of bothers me. Regardless, here we are, and it tells us the browser built by Google. And it tells us if you want to make Google Chrome automatically ending user statistics, crash reports, up to you if you want to check it, and stuff like that. If you want to update, you can do that too. This pretty much supports all the way from Windows 7 to Windows 11, and this actually exists on other browsers too, like on MacBooks. And if I'm correct, I think on Linux it's called Chromium base, like a Chrome. I think it's Chromia or something like that. You honestly just look it up. Regardless, it's still Chrome. We're pretty much gonna press download and let it pretty much get ready to install. So we download the pretty much Chrome, and it tells us about open. If it's on the bottom, you'll click it. If it's on the top, you'll click it, and you'll pretty much press run. Now, if it came to a point and you don't see it, and it's not going to be showing, so like right here underneath their downloads and it's there, you might need to go to your file explorer, and depending where it went to, like your desktop or your downloads or your documents, you might need to look for your Chrome setup. That's pretty much the file. You can pretty much double click it and open it up. But we're pretty much already by default. You might just underneath your browser and press open file. From here, you'll probably be prompted. If not, just let it go through. If not, press yes. You'll need to be prompted for this to work. And now it's pretty much on its mark. So on this process right here, Google Chrome is pretty much going to might be downloading some files, and I'll start connecting and start doing its process for the Google Chrome to install on your Windows 10. So here it is. It's downloading super quick. As it's downloads complete, now it's in process of installing. Let it do itself and let it pretty much finish up. It'll be pretty quick, honestly. So here we have Google Chrome that is set, and it is pretty much set for you. Now here you can sign into your Google account and get started, and you can set up all the stuff if you want to. Set up your own themes. There's actually cool themes and stuff like that. You can just also underneath the Edge too. This is the full one right here. You see set as default. This is where you can go to settings, and this is where we have to go your default browser. So here we are, Google Chrome, and because of Windows 11, it's kind of an ass, believe it or not. You would have to choose every different browser to change these to Google Chrome. Eventually, I think if I'm correctly, on a newer version of Windows 11, on the current ones right now, I'm putting this because it's one a little bit older, because this is mostly what everyone's probably going to have right now. You would have to change all these systems, and yes, you would have to change them to Chrome. They like to make stuff a little difficult. So right now we have all of those, like all the HTMLs, I'm choosing Chrome. SVG. Now, I don't know, SVG is like also like a web photo. WebP is also a web photo. You can change these. HTTP are the main ones. Like the main two ones are HTTP and HTTPS. To use them, actually I just clicked one and did it. FTP, you can choose them too, if you know what they are. XHTML. XHT, anything you see, any of the ones that show Edge, just change it to Chrome, and pretty much we are set. So now we go to the web, you will have that set as your default, and press continue, and pretty much this is if you want to sign in. From this point, if I just go to the web, we are pretty much underneath Google Chrome, and we are pretty much set. There's a lot more features and stuff. You can go to settings, you can turn off history and stuff like that, but that is another video down the road. Regardless, we got Google Chrome installed here, and we have set up by default underneath, and we are pretty much good. Thank you for watching from Helton's Computer Repair, and I will see you on the next video. If you are searching for a cheaper route for like a Windows 10 product key, or maybe you don't want to pay for that monthly subscription for Microsoft Office, then head over to premiumcgkeys.com. From there you can choose software, and you have a variety of different type of operating system product keys you need. They even have the Microsoft Office for discounted codes that you can use to activate them too. Just choose which one you want, and it'll be very useful. The one I'm going to use is go ahead and use a Windows 10 Pro product key, and they tell you instructions and stuff if you need to do the ISO that's needed and activations, how to do it. It's pretty simple, and just choose what you want. I'm gonna go ahead and select add to cart for the Windows 10 Pro product key, and then here we are. I'm gonna go ahead and go to checkout, and you can use our discount code called Helton's Computer Repair and press apply. This will give you a small percentage of discount that helps you and helps us too. From there you can type in your billing information, or you can use PayPal. Be sure on the contact information for the email that you do use an email that you have access to, because that is where they're going to pretty much send you the product key for the activations for it. So you will need that to be done. And that should be pretty much it. Just go ahead and complete your transaction and everything should be good. Thanks for watching, guys. If you disliked this video, then hit that button. But if you like it and you want to see more, hit that like button, get subscribed, comment, and tell us what other tech videos you want to see. Consider checking out our merch store, link in the video description. And for the rest, I will see you on the next video.